Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have SoundPeats Air4 Lite Bluetooth earbuds and you need to do a hard reset on them. Now you might need to do this hard reset if your earbuds are not connecting to Bluetooth or not syncing to your device, or if they keep disconnecting, or if you're only getting sound out of the left ear or the right ear. This is a good troubleshooting step. You will need to set your earbuds up again because they will be reset to default factory settings. Also, if you just want to set them up on a new device and you want to get a fresh start and have them forget all other devices, this is a good way to do it. You will have to set it up again, but if you want to do that, let's go ahead and get started. You're going to just go ahead and take your earbuds and you're going to put them inside the case so that they're seated and charging. And you're going to leave the lid open. And once you do that, you can go ahead and press and hold the button on the front. And you'll see after you hold it for a couple seconds, the light will start to flash. You're just going to keep holding. That's basically turning the Bluetooth off. But you're just going to keep holding it. And when you get past 10 seconds, you'll see the light will flash 2 times. And that will mean that all of the pairing data has been wiped and it has been restored to default factory settings, at which point you can let go. You can close the lid, open the lid up, take the earbuds out, and set them up as a new pair of earbuds.